Hey guys, welcome to EXP Realty, part of the Johnson Group here at 903 Mill Hill Road in Richmond Hill, Georgia. This is part of Strathy Hall. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,670 square feet. Everything custom to the windows, to the cabinets is amazing. So we got to check this beautiful home out. So as we start, as you can see, this beautiful, large lot with a 3-car garage. And obviously you can't see the river from right here, but it sits on the Ogeechee River. It's on 0.89 acres, so almost a full-size acre with a full dock and a pool. So like I said, 3-car garage. But let's go into this home and check it out. So this is the original structure, okay? Everything's original except for, like I said, the cabinets. There's gonna be some stuff I'm gonna point out that is put on specifically for hurricanes and all that kind of stuff. Let's check this out as we come in. Look at that view. I mean, look at that view. Unbelievable. Love it in here. Love the wide open concept you got. Look at these kitchens are custom cabinets, okay? Beautifully white quartz countertops, soft close on all these drawers. You see there's plenty of space to handle all of your pots, pans, dishes, anything you can possibly want. This has got it. You see beautiful sink, countertop, and then in here you got a little pantry area, little like dry bar area right here for the coffee makers, stuff like that. It's pretty awesome. Let's go over here in the dining area. Could you imagine yourself sitting here having dinner and then you get to look out there at that beautiful ocean? Deep water at all times, so beautiful, okay? You have your boat dock out there, and then you got a nice little porch going on, which I love that. We didn't get to the pool yet. Let's go into the primary bedroom and check that out real quick. As we come through the living room, you see your fireplace is right there. Fireplace upstairs, fireplace downstairs, we'll get to that, okay? If you look at here, these floors are wood floors on the top floor. It's gonna be laminate on the bottom floor for waterproof purposes. These windows right here, all these windows that you can see them, custom made for this home, double pane, hurricane proof, okay? So you're not gonna have to worry about the wind blowing in your windows or anything. You can just get to enjoy this beautiful view. But let's go into the primary bedroom. Beautiful high ceilings. And what I love barn doors right there, as you can see it, to help you close your bedroom off to the world. And then of course, you can go right up to your porch right there, which is amazing. Like I said, everything is custom here. You got a beautiful walk-in closet here. You gotta see this thing, it is incredible. Check that out real quick. Beautifully large closet, and then this bathroom. You got quartz countertop. You got blue cabinets down here, like the tile flooring, stand-up shower. I'm gonna let Brandon take care of this, okay? Look in there real quick. All right, let's now go on the deck Right, like I said, you're in your primary bedroom, coming outside to this beautiful deck. As you can see, I mean, could you imagine having coffee out here, just sitting here, looking at the wildlife as they're flying on the Ogeechee River right there? Amazing boats going by during the summer. I mean, it would be phenomenal. Talk about an entertainment paradise. Look at this. You got fire pit. You got all this deck. Look at the deck. Great for entertaining. And then, of course, I mean, you can't beat having your own pool. Even though you got a whole river right there, I'm not going to a beautiful pool right here. Look at that. The cats seem to be enjoying it over there. That's good. A great view on, I mean, from anywhere almost. So we're gonna go back inside, go down the stairs, okay? So you can see the two rooms that are downstairs. All right, so let's go do this. Now this handrail was imported and brought in piece by piece, so they put it together just for this home. So it's pretty amazing. So let's go downstairs. Would this be living room number 2 or living room number 1? Who knows? There's plenty of great space right here. As you can see, fireplace with a great view of the river. Beautiful. Let's just go over here. Check this out over here. This room right here. Once again, great views, beautiful, right out to the river. Nice sized room. There's your closet. I'm not gonna get too deep in there, but it's nice size. Look at that. You fit all the kids' clothes in there. All right, let's come on down here. I'm gonna catch this spot right here. It's kind of your mudroom area. Okay, that comes straight from the garage and we go to there. But check out that whole thing. I mean, I like the shiplap they got going on the wall. All that good stuff. Every detail meticulously picked out here. All right, now let's go to this bathroom down here. Dual vanity, as you see, once again, quartz countertop. I'm gonna let you handle this one right in, so I'm not in your way. All right, now back in here, your laundry room real quick. And there's a utility area right there, but it's a large size laundry room. Another thing I don't want to miss is these beams. Look at how beautiful accent they cause for this room. I mean, just the difference between the brown and the white. There's a good contrast when you're down here. Very impressive. Let's go to the room right behind you. Same thing with the wood beam. Love that. Great shot of everything going on. I mean, oh my goodness. I mean, this is gorgeous. And then you got the closet right there with built-ins. You like everything else custom made. Let's go to the garage and go check that out real quick. Obviously, well, actually, would you check this out, this office area. No, let's get this office area. So obviously got a refrigerator down there, office area right there. I don't want to miss that. You can work and look at the river. What? That'd be awesome. I don't have this view in my office. I can see my street. That's pretty cool, but not this cool. So let's go out to the garage. So this is all right, if you can see it from the front, it's a 3-car garage right here. Oh my goodness. Massive. I mean, look at this thing. Of course, it's got to be big because it's going to have 3 cars in it, but look at this space right here. This could be a workshop. This could be, you can put anything in here, anything you can imagine. I mean, like you could almost play, I think you could play cornhole in here. What do you think, Brandon? Yeah? Yeah, I think this is cornhole going on in here. This is beautiful. Gosh. All right, let's go take a walk down to the top. Do you want to catch the front of this first? Let's walk around this way. Catch the front of this. Let's not go that way. Guys just chilling out. Now they're gonna go grab the boat and go take off. But I mean, all this yard, okay? I mean, all of this will be yours, okay? And we're in Richmond Hill, which is about 25 miles, or 25 minutes away from Pooler, about 15 to 20 minutes from Savannah. So it's a great location, but check out this 3-car garage from the front. Obviously, I'd love to play basketball. That'd be great for me. Let's go down to the dock. Get a shot of the pool from the ground level. If you're entertaining guests, you have a pool party here. After you get off the boat, just come right to the pool. Whatever you want to do, it's pretty awesome. Fire pit over there, like I said, great for entertaining. Tons of space. Check out the house from here. Look at the house. Just impressive. I mean, oh goodness. All right, let's go down to this dock right here. Just think about it. Like you're just sitting here in the afternoon, just hanging out with your friends. Obviously, maybe a sea-doo or your boat right there, floating dock right there, as you can see. Deep water at all tides. Beautiful home, beautiful home. This is 903 Mill Hill Road in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you guys have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. All right, talk soon. Bye.